Good afternoon, students. Today's subject is EVS 1. Today we are going to learn chapter number 11, a look inside the body. A part of the body that is used to perform a certain function is called an organ. We use our legs to walk. Hence our legs are our organs for walking. We use our ears for hearing. Hence, our ears are the organs for hearing. External organ. Organs on the outside of our body are our external organs. Ears, nose, arms, and legs are on the outside of our body. Hence, they are our external organs. They can be easily seen. Organs that make us unaware of the situation around us are called sensory organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin are our sensory organs. Internal organ, a new term. Internal organ, an organ that is situated inside the body, it cannot be seen from the outside, are called internal organs. Many functions of the body go on inside the body. A network of blood vessels is spread throughout the body. Blood flows through them continuously. The air we breathe in is carried to all parts of the body through the blood. The food that we eat is digested. These functions are carried out by different organs called internal organs. Let us learn a few things about them. Cranial cavity, thoracic cavity, abdominal cavity, pelvic cavity. These are the cavities which are there inside our body. The organs inside the body that perform certain important bodily functions need to be secure. The structure of our body is such that our internal organs can remain in their places no matter how much we move. There are hollow spaces for these organs inside the head and the torso. They are called cavities. The cavity inside the head is called the cranial cavity. The cavity in the torso has three parts. The cavity in the chest is called the thoracic cavity. The cavity inside the abdomen has two parts. They are the abdominal cavity and the pelvic cavity. All the internal organs of the body are situated in these cavities. They are situated in such a way that they will not leave their places and move here and there. Now children, look at the picture alongside. The picture alongside shows two internal organs, the mouth and the stomach. These organs help in the digestion of food. The stomach is situated in the abdominal cavity. There is a tube in the thoracic cavity to transport food from the mouth to the stomach. It is called the esophagus or the gullet. We use our mouth to eat our food. The tongue tells us the taste of the food. The tongue tells us the taste of the food. We chew food with our teeth. As we chew it, our saliva mixes with the food. As a result, the food forms a moist ball. It is easy to swallow this soft ball. This food passes through the throat into the esophagus. The wall of the esophagus is flexible. This makes it possible to carry the food from the throat to the stomach easily. Children, do you know the journey of food in our body begins in the mouth? The internal organs in the abdomen help to digest it. The undigested, unwanted part is passed out through the anus in the form of feces. That is where the journey ends. Food travels through a pipe-like pathway from the mouth to the anus. It is called the alimentary canal. It is about 9 meters long. It is made up of a number of internal organs. The esophagus is a part of the alimentary canal. Thank you, children. Hope you like the video.